Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the ChatGPT extension on your Chrome or any other web browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and make sure that the Chrome extensions are supported by this browser. After opening it up, just type in chromewebstore.google.com in the address bar and press enter. Once you enter the website of the Chrome Web Store, just use the search box to type in and search for ChatGPT. Once you find the ChatGPT extension, go ahead and click on it, and you will now see the Get button. Just click on this Get button, and then click on Add Extension in order to install this extension within your browser. Once it has been installed, you will see a notification letting you know that the installation has been completed. You can now click on the Extensions option at the top right corner, and then click on the ChatGPT extension in order to use it, and you may also pin it using the pin option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the ChatGPT extension on your Chrome or any other web browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.